Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading and recap for Monday, August the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. In the body of this email, you'll actually see there we still have our summer, what's it called? Summer drive, right? The promo code for 25% off. It will for sure expire tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tonight, that'll be 25% off. I open the room at 9 o'clock every morning, Eastern Time, of course. I share my screen then and get live on the mic at 9:05. I go to 3:30 on Mondays through Thursdays and 3 o'clock on Friday. So I've been off for a couple of weeks. I usually take about a week and a half off during our test drive, which was very, very successful. We had a record number of people sign up. I may have done a few last week. When I say a few of the recaps, but I was kind of sick last week. So anyway, back to normal now, whatever that is. So now, what a day. Let me just show you what I have been doing. On Friday, Arlo. I took Arlo as a swing trade. All right, this was an IPO from Friday, and I took it right there at 2060. I did sell some in this area. The way it closed, though, I decided to hold it, and then look what it did this morning. I did get out some right there at 2220, sorry, from 2060, and then on the way down, I made a little bit of profit on the balance. So, you know, not a bad IPO for us. Take a look at the daily chart. There had a really, really nice day on Friday. Bit of an iffy day right now. I will follow it tomorrow to see if it takes out that high. Now, let's take a look at what I've done today. CAMT. Let's get back to a 15-minute time frame. So CAMT was in this one a couple of times, got stopped out a couple of times. I think the first time I got in was 9:10, right about here. Got stopped out at 9:03, got back in at 9:11, got stopped out at 9:03, got back in at 9:20. All right, now it's at 9:21 now. Almost took myself out here. Now, why am I even worrying about, not worrying, but why am I interested in this one? Take a look at it on the daily chart. There you go. Looking left, even when we backed it way up, there's really no resistance whatsoever. So I just love this break out of all this, and I thought, okay, you're over the whole number, and it seemed to be it was a struggle at the beginning anyway to hold the number. I actually said that even if I got stopped out this time, would be definitely one to watch tomorrow to see, you know, if it could hold 9 and then move from it. I mean, it's already had a nice move, obviously. But anyway, I'm still in this one, 9:20, and so at least I'm back to even on it. I'm in another one. It's very rare for me to be in three while I do my video. Blink was a Holly alert right there at 383. Okay, BLNK. Another one you have to kind of take a look at the daily chart. See why this is kind of interesting. Had a nice day on Friday, and now look at this. So, you know, it has room to this 540 level, right? If you look left, all right. So now I didn't get in right at the 383 on the alert. I actually was quite a bit later. You know me, I like to. It popped over 4 and came back down. I thought maybe that was going to be it. I actually ended up finally taking this trade at 420, right about here, and I took some out because it's been so frothy at 433 and 438, and now I'm holding. I want to see if it can, you know, make another assault on this high and just kind of see what happens from there. Now, if it goes back down to probably under 450, I'll probably get out of the balance and then watch it again tomorrow. But you know, great 383. You know, right? That's as we speak right now, that's almost a 20% gain from where it is right now. So, a really nice alert from Holly. I am in this one still, ATUS. I just like the way this one looked on the daily. I think I got the alert from the I think from the momentum from the momentum scanner, and I ended up taking this trade. I said actually when I took the trade, I thought it might have been just kind of a bit of a scalp trade, you know, to get me going Monday morning. And so I took some out right around here, 1782 and 1790, just in case it couldn't crack that 18. And then once it did, I said, you know, I'd be very interested in taking it if it cracks 18. And I got back into it, and I'm still in it at 1809, right about there. Okay, and I think, again, you take a look at it on the daily chart, and you can see why. This still has room, you know, to this level here. And, you know, again, when I say that, I don't know if it's going to make it there, but, you know, at least I don't have to worry about the chart stopping it. So, and the EMA 20 SMA is way up there. So, it's moving quite nicely now. Now, let me get back to the 15-minute. So, over the last 2 weeks, if you've been in the room, you know I've been all over this strategy from Holly called the Vault. It's funny, we don't have any Vault alerts today. The Vault, though, has really produced some great trades, and it's a strategy. You can have it, so don't ask me for it. You have to have Holly. It's one of the relatively new strategies for Holly. And people ask me, well, which Holly does it show up in? Well, it's funny because in the first little while we saw it, it was in it seemed to be always in Holly 2.0. But last week, I think 3 days in a row, it happened to be in Holly Grail. Today, it's actually in Holly Grail and Holly 2.0. It's not tied to any specific strategy or specific Holly. Okay, like in the way this is trading now. So it's just what I do is in the morning, I take a look at the 3 Hollies. And this is what I'm talking about. And this, if you have our premium service, and you don't have, when you right-click on the window and you don't have segments, the 3 segments, okay, please download the latest version of Trade Ideas, the latest production version, which is I think 4.2.46. Now, if you're on the web-based version, unfortunately, you only have the one Holly, the original Holly, okay? So now, if you're on the web-based version, I guess there's a reason for it. Maybe you have a Mac and you don't want to use an emulator, or there may be another reason. Certainly, the app is a far better choice for you to use, not just because of the 3 Hollies, but it's just a more robust system. So, anyway, watching this one and just kind of seeing what's going to happen with it. So, glad to be back. I say I'll be back in full swing now, doing the videos every day. Itching to get back into the room. Just watching the 3 I'm still in. The CAM-T is still hanging around that 920. Blink is still around 460. And to see how much further this one can go. So, that's about it. I think that's just about it. Yes, that is just about it. Okay. So let me just bring back the capture program. And again, please, if you're interested in a subscription to Trade Ideas, it's the best deal we have at any time to get 25% off. It'll end tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So remember, that's not your time zone, 11:59. It's Eastern Daylight Time. So in the body of the email, you'll see the promo code. It's Summer Drive, all in caps. And again, you can take out a monthly subscription. You'll get 25% off the first month only, or of course 25% off the whole year if you take out an annual. If you do take out a monthly, or say even a standard on a yearly, today is August the 6th. If by September the 5th you decided you wanted to upgrade, either from monthly to annual or from standard to premium, you can do so within that 30 days and we'll honor the promo code. So that's about it, everybody. I'm glad to be back, and I hope if you're part of the test drive, thank you very much. It was incredibly successful in terms of the signups, and I think a lot of people took the program afterwards. So much appreciated. And so hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.